Configurations, Security, Roles. In roles, you can add and update and can delete the roles of users. You can also activate or deactivate employee status of role. Users. In users, you can add new user of SMACC. You can set notification, graphic rights, and can also update roles of user. Link or unlink salesman, activate or deactivate login ID, name of user, email address, and contact of users. You can change so and so. Access rights. You can access rights to your user against your desired module and role. You can also set login permission to the user. Profiles. User profile. In user profile, you can update the information about user. Company profile. You can store company information and update it. Name, logo, address, email, contact number, GST number, etc. also can be added here. Password. You can reset user password here. General. Countries. You can add new country name and also can update, delete it from the list. Currencies. You can add new currency update and currency fraction name and also can delete it from the list. Currency rates. In this option, you can add new currency rate against your desired currency. You can also delete it from the list. Activity trackings. We can view all the activity details by tracking it on the basis of page, user, operation, and record. Fiscal periods. Fiscal period setup and updates. In fiscal period setup and updates, you can set opening balance with previous closing and finalized balance. You can remove and close fiscal period. You can enable to carry forward master entries from previous period in financial accounting, fixed assets, inventory, and HR. You can set balance updation option and starting new fiscal period. Tax setup. Here we can update and edit item tax in an arrangement of tax 1, tax 2, tax 3, and can enable the discount option. Tax master. Here we can add new tax rates and the percentage, and we can decide whether the discount should be given before or after tax deduction. DB utilities. Inventory costing. Remove data from the period. Here we can decide from which fiscal period we want to delete the module. Delete the modules below given. Remove batch and serials. This will remove all the batch inwards and batch outwards against those items in which batch or serial options are not enabled from item card master. After running this utility, customer will be able to update opening stock, purchase invoice, etc. Card setup. Cards. Here we can add the cards. Banks. Here we can add new banks. Card rate setup. Here we can set the card rate on the basis of adjust to the invoice and charges to customer.